Hey guys, today I have a slime package here today, and this slime package is from slime_beautiful. So let's get started. And my lighting is kind of off, but that's okay. Okay, first thing I noticed about this package is that it's very unusual because it came inside of a book bag. Let me just cover up my address. It came inside of this big black book bag. That's very unusual. But she said it would come inside of a bag. I said that's fine with like little question marks. But she didn't say a book bag. She just said like a grocery bag with like a box inside of the grocery bag with my slimes in it. So that's very unusual. But you guys see the first peek. Okay, just randomly pick something out. Yeah, I found the note. It says note. Alright. Hi, enjoy. That's what it says for the note. Very short, unusual. Invoice. Purple Party. So I ordered a Purple Party slime for $5. Black Butter slime for $6. Gold slime for $8. Iboon Peach Jumbo. A Jumbo Iboon Peach squishy for $12. Total. And put my... Sorry for if you hear like background noises. My sister's watching YouTube. But right there, right there, it says total, and that just has question marks. Like, what's the total? Extras, no refunds. Okay, I hope I don't have to get refunds. So let's randomly pick something out. Okay, first thing I picked out is like a book. Okay. Thing I picked out. I know what this is. It's like a little cute Care Bear toy. Super cute. Super cute. You can stand on it. Super cute. Next thing I picked out is this little stacky thingy. That's cute. But it looks... So there's a slime in here. I think it's an extra slime. This right here. Yeah, it's kind of sticky. It's a pretty nice slime. I hope this isn't my gold slime. Because it's like brownish and it's kind of sticky. So I really hope this is a extra because it's brownish and like shimmery and not what I ordered. So I hope it's not my gold slime. It looks gold on camera, but it's like brown and shimmery. Okay. It's a pretty nice slime. Except it's just like a little sticky. And I'm pretty disappointed in that it came in this little toy because she said that every single thing, even extras, well, if she sends extra slimes, they would come in little containers. That didn't come in a container. That's not a container. Okay, the extras is fine. Next thing I pull out is a container. Thank you for that. I can definitely use this for a slime, and I can just put it inside the container. Next thing I pull out is this other container. Thank you very much. Okay, guys, I pulled out these two black things. It's like squishy. It's like kind of surprising. But I really hope this isn't my Jumbo Island Peach. Seriously. It's squishy, but it's cut out right there. Defected. It's like squishy, but not what I deserve. Oh my. Here's a defect right there. That big defect. It's like squishy and so kind of surprising, but I just really hope that's not my peach squishy. Then I pulled out some beads. She sent me a lot of extras. Some beads, a doll dress, and that's my slime. Another doll dress. Super cute, super cute. And another paper. So I think this is for another person because I didn't order this stuff. So I think this is for her. Because it says from slime_glitter_dot_pop. And yeah. She put it in the bag, so there's crayons. Now there's nothing else in the bag, so I'm pretty disappointed because this is my gold slime for $8. I paid $8 for that. $8, guys. $8 for this. It's not even gold. It's sticky. It's not what I ordered. Sorry for the background noises. These are my iBloom Peach squishies for $12, guys. So let's check these slimes out. I'm gonna go with this one first. It's sticky. It's like a dark purple color. I think this is my, I already think this is my, black butter slime for $6. First of all, this is not black. It's like super sticky. And the color, it shows you the exact same color I see in like real life. See that? It's super sticky, guys. Oh my. It's like a dark purple. Dark purple. Which is super sticky. I'm gonna put this back. But I'm pretty disappointed that I paid $6 on this. And that is not even my butter slime. Like, seriously. It doesn't even spread. Look at this, guys. It would be a good slime if it wasn't sticky. Okay. Okay, guys, I definitely did get scammed. But let's see the slime. So this is my... Seriously? It's my sister watching YouTube. This is my purple party slime, which is kind of sticky, for $5. Yes, it is a jumbo slime for $5. So I was pretty surprised that it was a jumbo slime for $5. Super pretty purple. It's not like this color. It's not like that color. It's like this color. See the difference? There's hair in it. I like feel the hair. Guys, I got scanned. This is super sticky. Look at that. Guys, I got scammed and I don't like getting scammed. So I might have to contact her about it and see if I can get a refund. But I probably can't because it says no refund. But I'm gonna contact her. So guys, I contacted her and I said, can I get a refund? I didn't, oopsies. I didn't get what I ordered. Like, my slimes are sticky